All right. Thanks to a friend of mine who had a question, I ended up making this video. In this table, you see dates and they seem perfectly fine on first glance, but they're not. These dates are in proper date format, as you see, but these dates are not. Well, dates are always stored in Excel as numbers. They're stored in number format. We'll talk about why they are saved in number format on a later date. But for now, it is important to understand that all dates in Excel are stored in a number format. Now, all numbers in Excel align themselves towards the right-hand side of the cell, like you see here. But text operate differently. Text always align themselves towards the left-hand side of the cell, like you see here. So this is a quick way of seeing whether something is a number or a text, right? This is in a number format and this is in a text format. One more way to check whether is this really in number format is by selecting this data and selecting in the drop down number. It gets converted to a number. Now these are the numbers in which format the respective dates are actually stored in Excel, right? I'm going to change that back to short date. And if I come here and select number, there's going to be no difference, right? It did not change a bit. I can even try and change it to, let's say, short date. It did not change because it is text, and text will not change its format once you select these drop downs, right? I'll just let it be in general for now, right? More often than not, you would face a problem when you get date like this and it looks totally unaligned, right? You see the first date and the second date, they are not aligned. How do I tackle that? I would have to change these text dates to actual dates. How do I do that? It's simple. In these dates, I see commas which I don't need. So I'll select this, do a Control H, H for horse. It's basically the find and replace dialog box. I already see find what is comma and then replace with, don't type anything, just let it be blank. So find comma and replace it with nothing. I'll say replace all. It says 8 replacements have been made. I'll say okay, close this. So all commas are gone now. That's what I wanted. I'll select this, go to data, text to columns, make sure delimited is checked. I'll go to next. Let only tab be checked, which is by default, it is already checked. Don't check any other option for now. Just say next. You see data preview here in this box. This is how the data will look like. Now, this is in general. Go ahead and check date and come to this drop down. Right. So what you need to select here is as per the format you have here. Now over here you have month, then the day, and then the year. So MDY, that's how it should be. So I'll select MDY and I'll say finish. Now these have successfully been changed to date format, right? Now I'll quickly go ahead to home and change this to short date to match exactly as per these dates, right? Now if I come here, you see that it also shows date format, just like it was showing here. So this is how you would tackle this problem of having a date in text format and having to convert it to proper date format. Thank you.